that I'm actually pretty good at coding.
What were your 2 favorite parts of Rex?
Doing the battle bots and just doing your own thing, really.
Did you like coming to the camp this week?
Yes.
Why? Why did you like it?
Because it just gave me like a whole new outlook on what I can actually do with engineering and stuff like that.
Do you like the teachers at Rex?
Yes.
Why?
They're really nice people in general. They're funny and they're really very helpful.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a biomechanical engineer.
Have you gone to any other technology camps or technology-related classes before Rex?
Yes, I went to a Lego camp at the Perot Museum, and they had a little segment at the end where you could like kind of mess around with some of their coding stuff.
Did you like this camp better or worse than the
I like this camp better because it was more focused on the programming.
Do you want to come to more Rex camps?
Yes.